What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on a Mac. So like on Windows, there's multiple ways to do it. I'm just going to show one quick way to do it, nice and easy to get to, and take the screenshot. So first, we need something that we want to take a screenshot of. I think this is appropriate. So I'm going to come up here to the search at the top here, and then type screenshot. Actually, it's already in there, but let me just type it again. Type screenshot, and there is this right here called screenshot. I'm going to click on that. Now that gives me a box that I can drag around on the screen to capture my screenshot. So I'm just going to drag this box here. It's kind of like on Windows. You can drag the box, and then that's what you're going to take the screenshot of. So I'm going to click capture. I'm just going to minimize Firefox here. And now we have it right here. When I clicked and dragged it from the bottom here, out here, now I have a screenshot. I can go ahead and open it, and there's my screenshot. Very appropriate. Now there's multiple ways to do it, but this is just one quick way to make a box and just grab the pieces that you want instead of having to take a screenshot of your full screen. Looking to build a computer, want some advice, have an error message? Go to techmindset.io and set up a consultation. I'll be happy to help you out. That's all for this one. Catch you in the next one.